Okay, this is the Fahrenheit, the platform, in which we will make it a standard product, and which means there is a metal cabinet or wood cabinet. We can put this panel, okay, and buttons on it too. So which means some customers like to produce the wood cabinets in United States, and then we will tell you the size and here, and then you are supposed to build the cabinets according to the size, and then we send you this one, and also the Microsoft switch, and also other harness which is connect just like Fahrenheit or Dragon Link and Lightning Link and some other Buffalo Girl or some other games harness, and we'll connect the harness already. So when you buy this one, and we'll send you with all the harness in one boxes, and then you are supposed to buy it and then put in on the cabinet and then screws, okay, make it stable, and then it's very fast and convenient. So in the future, all of our slot machine like a Fahrenheit, Dragon Link, and a Lightning Link or some other will be like this, okay? It's very smart and very, when it's connected power and lights flash, and it will be more fantastic. And also, if you have your own buttons, and we'll tell you the size of this hole, and here the buttons, and we will let you know the sizes, and then you can use your own buttons too. So this plate we can send you to, okay? It's very convenient. And also, when we send you this one, and the harness will be installed too. You see, this is how we build our harness right now. Okay? Thank you. Later, and I will let you know the sizes. Oh, wait a second, let me figure out. Alright. You see? The size is here. It's 34.9 centimeters. Okay, this is the size. Wait a second. Right here, you see, it's 12.8 centimeters. Okay, and the whole size. Wait a second. The whole size is 3.1 centimeters, and here the whole size is 4.4 centimeters. This hole is 4.4, also 4.4 centimeters. You see, this is a square. 3 centimeters exactly. You see. Okay. Thank you. So if you need harness or the mantle plate or the plate with buttons installed with the harness, and we can send you to. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. 3.1. Okay, centimeter. 3.0 centimeters. Okay. 4.4. Okay, centimeters. 4.4. Okay, that's the sizes right now. Let's see. 128, 12.8 centimeters. And let's measure again. Okay. Thirty-four point eight. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.